Yo guys, today I'm going to show you guys a brand new method to get HappyMod on all iOS 900 devices and all iOS 900 versions. So guys, check this out. I literally have HappyMod on my iPhone 15 Pro here, running absolutely flawlessly, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this as well and basically use it for any games, guys. You can get any apps, whatever you guys want using this method, guys. It's super easy to do. It literally takes like 2 minutes of your time to get it all set up, guys. And you don't need any computer or anything like that to use this. You can do this just off your phone, just using your browser, and that's it, guys. You don't need to do anything crazy to your device or anything like that. So guys, yeah, this basically works on all iOS 900 devices. You can get any apps that you want using this, guys. And yeah, it's practically flawless. So like, let me just show you guys the icon here. So here it is, HappyMod. And yeah, I've got this working on iPhone, iPad. I tried it on Android. I tested it on so many different devices and versions, and it's literally running flawlessly. So if you guys just follow along with me, I'll show you guys exactly how to install HappyMod on your iPhones as well. And it works on the latest version of iOS. Like I said, like iOS 26, iOS 27. It should be good to go on pretty much, yeah, any device, any version, doesn't matter what you guys are on. So I'll show you guys how to get the HappyMod setup done right now, guys. So the first thing we're going to do to get this is we're going to pop open our browser here, guys. So just open up your browser, and you want to just head on over to this place right here. So just get this typed in, guys, and you want to just hit the go button. And then once you hit the go button, you want to just search for Happy. So there it is, HappyMod. You want to just tap on that, guys. And so basically here it is right here, guys. It says get HappyMod for all iOS 900 devices, like I said. So it's literally just as simple as tapping this button, and within a few minutes after doing all the instructions, the app will load on your device and you'll be able to use it as much as you want for free, guys. So let's get into it. Let me show you guys how to do this method here. So you guys just want to tap on here, guys, and you want to just hit the start button. Now once you hit the start button, it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Now once that bar is finished, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard. Now once you're at the setup wizard, you want to basically just do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do, because basically what the developers did was they hid the files for the HappyMod app within these apps on the App Store, and basically when you get these apps and do exactly what their instructions say to do, it initiates a file transfer straight to your device for all the files for the HappyMod app. Okay, guys, now within a few minutes the app will load if you did the instructions correctly. If you didn't do the steps correctly, you need to go back, do more of the apps and do exactly what their instructions say to do. Honestly, I recommend just doing all of the apps from the start. That way you don't need to keep going back over and over again and doing it over again. But honestly, guys, it should be super simple. Like I said, just hit that start button. Just do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do. Don't rush through. Just be patient. Take your time, and it will load properly. Okay, guys? So thanks for watching. That's how to get HappyMod on iOS and Android, on iPhone, iPad in 2026. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you guys out.